oli ku Bokati TV leero enkya ne luli Bokati TV.
Ampuliriza oli ku Bokati TV olunaku olwaleero tuli mu kooti omusango gwa Kibalama Mpozi ne kibiina kya Bobi Wine ekya Nuupu. Tuwulirize mpola mpola tujja batwongera okubeera nga tugibawa kooti eno nga bwetambula paka lweneggwa tugenda beera nga tugibawa. Temuvaawo ku Bokati TV. Nze Sula Senyonga.
But I think they have so far. I don't the one into Africa need this capacity and balance. Yeah, we need your good services. You can't say that in the I don't think you have the answer. I don't. My name is Segona. I am here together with Mr. Anthony Wameri, Mr. Benjamin Katana, Mr. George Musisi, Katana, my lord. Katana. Mr. Benjamin Musisi, and Jonathan. We represent the first African. I think Jonathan Eloto. We represent the first, the second, the first, the third, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth, the seventh, and eighth respondent. Mr. Hillary Nathan Ebina, State Attorney, represents the 11th respondent. For the second and ninth respondent, representing the second and I have been informed, I have received confirmation from counsel for the 10th respondent, with apologies that he's delayed, but he's on his way. My Lord, the first respondent is represented by its party president, who is also the third respondent. So the third respondent and the first respondent are therefore in court. And so the fourth, the 60th, and the 7th respondents. My Lord, this matter comes this morning for cross-examination of the second and 9th respondents. An exercise for which we are ready. My Lord, may I propose? That was our proposal, my Lord, that we approach the bench, but you have sorted it.
Can people in that case? Yes.
Oli ku Bokati TV leero enkya Naruli. Bokati TV